Hi, my name is Carl, and I am going to take you through the video tutorials, to understand more about the Stay in Touch email marketing systems. As you can see, to enter the system, first you have to go to the web address. You have to type in your domain name and then type in list/admins, which will bring you to the Stay in Touch login page. As you can see, it consists of two vital information, that is username and password. The username would be admin and the password would be given to you, right? And if you look down at the bottom of your screen, you could see the Stay in Touch copyright logo and the WebsWorld logo. You can also contact us on info@stayintouch.co.in. You can visit our Facebook and Twitter pages by clicking on the Facebook and the Twitter icon. We use the email marketing system to promote your brand, basically. So to log into the system, just type in the username admin and type in the password and click on the login button. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard screen or the home page screen of the system. Okay. Out here you will have various functions like the main. These are all simple shortcuts that will take you to the various functions that we provide, the various services that we provide in our system. Here we have the main. Here we have the list and user functions, the configuration functions, the admin functions, and the campaign functions. The users that are there in your system to which you send out the campaigns, they are known as subscribers. So out here in the menu link, this is the main menu bar, you will see a subscribers options. You can search, you can manage your subscribers out here, then you can add list, you can import list from somewhere, you can export list from the system. You can also delete some users that are not required by you, and you can also blacklist some of them depending on your choice. The campaigns. Here you can send a campaign, you can check out a list of campaigns that have been sent or are being currently sent, and also you can make your own campaign and design your own campaigns. They're known as templates. You can design your own and send them out. Here we have the statistics menu, which gives us an overview of the statistics, basically the amount of emails that have been sent out, the amount of emails that have bounced, the views on your emails, and out here you have URL clicks. If you've embedded any URLs or any links into your campaign, here you will get to see the clicks, the number of times each link has been clicked. Out here you will get to see which users are registered on which domain. Like basically we have Gmail, Outlook, MSN, Hotmail. You will get to see the number of users or subscribers in your system that are there on a particular domain. Bounce. Out here you will get to check the various bounces, the number of emails that have bounced and the reasons for what they have bounced. In the config section you will have the settings page where you can make certain changes to how certain things in the system look. Certain options will be enabled, certain options would be disabled. All that could be done from the settings. Here in the subscribe page, you could design your own subscribe page to which users can come and subscribe to your newsletters. And in the manage admins, you can add administrators and get them. You can have more than one administrators and you can give them various different options. Like you can have some admins who have all privileges and some who have only certain privileges. Here we have, and if you look at the bottom of the screen, you will find the footer again. This is there on all pages. If you look at the top right of your screen, you will see the logout button. You have to click here to log out of your system. We advise you that whenever the Stay in Touch system is not in use, to please log out of the system, because the data that is present in your system is vital to you and should not be accessed and used by anybody else. Out here you could see the forgotten password box. If in case you ever forget your password of the system, you can enter your email address, and if this email address is registered in the system and you click on send password, a link would be sent to your email and you will have to go through that link and reset your password for the system. This is all for the first video tutorial. This is just an introduction to the system. I'll teach you more about how to import subscribers and how to send the campaigns and how to view statistics in the following tutorials. Thank you.